is Alice. Remember Alice? I'd almost love to be doing anything else but this video, but the mite problem got ahead of me, far ahead of me. There wasn't much I could do. As fast as I was trying to get it under control, it just took so much of my stuff out. I can talk about that when I do my update. I wanted to show you what to do because, lo and behold, someone gave me some cuttings, and instead of treating them like I should have, I didn't. Brought them into my house and they were infested. So we got to go through this process again. And being that we're doing an organic process and we're using 3 different solutions, I thought, okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. There is another product that might have helped me save my garden, but my garden was so far gone, a lot of it, that I don't think it would have helped. But this is about every 2 weeks I've been doing this, and what I do is I start out with the Dr. Zymes Eliminator. Where did I put that? And then I'm going to leave the ingredients down below. It's about 1/4 cup to a gallon. And that's what I start with. And I just spray it down. Of course, I'm going to get the soil. You can see it's starting to build character. I told you it would start to change. Here we go. No, sweetheart. Just want to make sure we get the leaves really well. Yes, I know it gets all over the walls, but I bleach out my bathroom anyway. I practically made my bathroom waterproof. So I'm going to go ahead and let that sit there. Probably about 20 minutes. And then we'll go with my next process, which I'll just tell you ahead of time. Well, yeah, I'll go ahead and tell you ahead of time. It's my alcohol and peroxide and peppermint oil. And I will leave the instructions for that too. It's a teaspoon. 3%. And 97%. A teaspoon of each. A little thing like that. And when I come back, we'll spray it down with that. And that'll take care of a lot of the fungus and stuff and anything that could be on here as well. I might as well treat it for everything while I'm here. The eliminator should kill everything. And the alcohol and peroxide and peppermint oil should kill everything else. And then in the very end, I hit it with the neem oil and lemon joy soap. But it's actually Ajax. And then I'll suffocate whatever's left over. So I will be back in about 20 minutes, and then we will go from there. Well, I try to keep it in the same place, but it doesn't want to work for me. Okay, now I'm going to come by with my peroxide and alcohol and peppermint oil, and just pass it down again. You know, I've lost probably, half my garden to this mite. It's so aggressive. And it's going to happen sometimes. I go ahead and spray the bag too down a little bit, just to kill anything that might be there. Anyway, it happens, and there's got to be an answer. I have to find out what the mite actually was. It was so aggressive, but I didn't know. Otherwise, if I had been keeping up a regimen like this, I probably could have saved my plants. So, there's no telling. But now that I'm facing it again, I thought, well, I'll just show you. And then here is a cold compressed neem oil. And I just put a few drops in with a little bit of Ajax, it's the lemon joy. Can you see? Okay. And then I just come along and spray with that. Make sure it's not cold water, otherwise, see, because of the neem oil. won't dissolve. And this will suffocate anything that's left over or gum up its little mouth so that it can't chew. So this is all I can really do. And I've kept this one going pretty well if you remember how small it was. And my tomato's still with me, so I'm happy about that. But I wanted to show you that. So this is, you know, an extreme case of a mite problem or a fungus issue. This will handle it all. Basically, I just handled everything I could possibly handle. Killed every mite I could possibly kill, any fungus I could possibly kill. And if I keep going at this rate every 2 weeks or so, not every month, but every 2 weeks, then I should be able to get it under control. And look, well, I don't have a before one. You'd have to go back and look when I potted it, but it's doing rather well. And that's my Swiss Cheese Monstera. So you have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. I don't have so many plants anymore to tend to, so it won't take me quite so long. I always want to make sure I catch anything that might be crawling. It's very important. Okay, that looks good. Alright, you guys have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well, and I'll talk with you later. Bye.